Vani, the Dangal, talking of the Dangal girl, Zaira Wasim, has been trolled since she met Mehbooba Mufti. Okay,
No, yeah, we should not be commenting. Like, I'm here at
and
the
then
end.
she has written about the apology also. Could you please speak about that?
Wow.
And even Amir has come in support of it.
I'm honestly.
She has said that don't consider me as a role model.
See, other thing is that I have to apologize. I'm a little unaware of it. But and I would honestly would want to even comment on this platform where I'm supporting the new fashion designers and talking about somebody else's thing and creating controversy. So I'd speak about it, but on another forum.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Go.
क्या लोग क्या अरे आज कुछ जानते हो लोग यार मैं क्या वीडियो के लिए पोस्ट देती हूँ वेट वेट ए बाबा शॉट तो लेने दो यार क्या मतलब हुआ यार चलेगा सब अरे हटो यार पूरा टाइम नहीं लगा यार अरे बाइक लेने को 2 मिनट का पूनम अभी ले लो
Ready?
Of course, this is my first time that I'm walking for the Elle Awards red carpet, and I'm super excited because I've heard a lot about Elle Awards. Of course, everybody knows about it. So I'm just here to watch the show and enjoy the show.
Anything you want to say about the participants who will be walking the ramp?
I have heard about the participants, yes, and of course I'm here to support them. Of course I'm here to watch the show. I've always been into I used to do modeling a lot, so it's always kind of exciting to be a part of this.
In real life, how fashionist are you? In real life?
What do you think how I am?
What's your personal style?
My personal styling. Honestly, I would not say anything on that. I mean, I can wear as comfortable clothes I want to, but because of course it's Elle Awards and everyone, it's about fashion. So I just thought to look as fashion. Oh, today I'm wearing Bhakti Joshi.
Favorite designer?
Bhakti Joshi, because that's the gown I'm wearing right now. So of course I'm gonna speak about it.
According to you, who is a fashion icon? According to you?
According to me, I think Sonam Kapoor. I really like her. I like Malaika Arora Khan. They're like so sexy.
Any message you have for your fans who follow you rigorously on Twitter and wait for your pictures?
I'm gonna tell them that I'm here in Elle Awards tonight, and this is what I'm wearing. I hope it's perfectly. So, thank you. So just to tell you guys, I'm here, and be on Twitter to watch everything when I post it.
Thank you.
मोहन भाई एक मिनट मोहन भाई मोहन नाम बता नादिया अरे भाई हो गया तो आना मैं साइड में हीरो बन रहा नादिया मैम रुकिया लाइट कैसे हो गई वही तो मुझे लाइट वीडियो के लिए जो पोस्ट लाइट पूरा चेंज हो रहा है लाइट बहुत चेंज हो रहा है अरे यहाँ कैमरा लुक वहाँ पे होने वाले वीडियो के लिए हम लोग के लिए हाँ अभी हम लोग के लिए वेट या ओके वेट लुक या थैंक यू थैंक यू
कैमरा सेंटर लुक Hi Nadia.
Hi.
It's good to see you here. What do you want to say about how excited are you for the event that is happening?
I'm extremely excited. Like I think every woman or girl is over here because his fashion is a god we really worship. So I'm very excited, you know, especially because I want to see something new, something fresh, and you know something. I mean, we need something new right now. So I'm kind of like really excited to see what these guys have gotten up with, and you know, like what the new colors are, the styles are, the fabrics are, and ensembles, and that's why anybody comes to one of these.
Are you going to judge the show?
Am I going to judge it? Oh God, no! I could never judge clothes. I think fashion is the most amazing thing, obviously. So no, I could never judge it. I worship it.
What real meaning of fashion for you?
Something, I think fashion for me is whatever I wear. It should make me feel a certain way, you know? That's how I wear my clothes. Like generally speaking, there are times where I'm in a bad mood, I'll wear pajamas. But that's because my clothes make me feel good, you know? And that's basically what it is for me. What you wear is how you feel, you know? I mean,
Can you please tell us what is going on your pipeline? What is the upcoming project?
I'm doing a film. I'm doing two films with Deepak Tijori. One is called Tom, Dick and Harry Returns, and another one's called Tipsy. There's also like a little non-commercial film called Kalua that I'm doing, and there's one film I've just finalized on, but I've not signed it yet, so I'll wait before I say that. But yeah, I just finalized my first movie. So thank you so much, guys. It's really lovely. Thank you.
चलो ऊपर ही आ रहा है पहले बस हाथ मार दो अरे भाई
क्या कर रहा
मैं विजुअल से रुक जाए विजुअल लेने का एक सामने रुके मैं विजुअल सामने
हूँ? मार ली।
ये दोनों रुक जा विजुअल लेने रहने दे चलने आ रहा है एमन रुक
Well,
अभी नीचे रखो सब नीचे रखो Okay. Hi Alina, it's good to see you here. What are you expecting from the event tonight?
Well, it's Elle, so I'm expecting something as usual, which will be super amazing. Because Elle is always amazing, so I'm looking forward to it.
Like what is it that you're exactly doing inside? Are you judging or are you gonna walk the ramp?
You'll have to wait and find out, to be honest. But I'm really happy and really excited to be here. I always love being part of all the Elle events. I love shooting for the magazine, so I'm very happy to be here.
Kapoor and Sons won a lot of awards.
Yeah, I
and
was
you
so
also played a part
happy,
in
yeah.
the movie. So what do you want to say about it?
I'm so proud of Shakun and Aisha. You know, they were absolutely amazing. Like, Shakun was really hands-on when I was doing my role as well, and so was Fawad. So I'm just so proud that I was there at Filmfare with them when they scooped the awards.
Any
Kapoor and Sons, what's the upcoming project?
Both Hollywood and Bollywood, actually. So I'm very excited.
anything specific that you've signed on which you'd like to share with us?
I'm not allowed to until they give the official press release.
Okay, that's
So
good.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
मैम सेंटर लुक लुक है हाँ सेंटर लुक एक मैडम हाँ साथ में ओके यहाँ पे यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे थैंक यू प्लीज मैम इधर नहीं आई इधर सब लाइन के नहीं सेंटर में वाह थैंक यू भाई हो गया उसको छोड़ दो इतना क्लोज मत कर ओके बाकी अपने पगला जाएगा लाइट जाओगा शादी तो तय कर ली ओके अरे पता किधर आने का सब प्लीज कैमरा खत्म हो गया मत आओ परेशान करे यार नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं यार थैंक यू सर भैया बताइए कि ना
so what you're expecting tonight?
Well, we are here to have fun, first of all, and also to. This is our first
Yeah,
outing together.
our film's releasing Mona Darling in a month, 17th of Feb. So we are all here together to. It's the first time we are out
this
actually
is the first
together.
time we're out together, all
Yeah,
three
after
of
the
us.
trailer launch. So if you guys have not seen it, please see the trailer.
Okay, I'm Susanna Mukherjee.
Anshuman Jha, Divya
Divya
Menon, and we are a cast of this upcoming whodunit thriller called Mona Darling by Shashi Surigala. Bashu Bhagnani is releasing it. The trailer's out. So we are here to have fun and see some good fashion.
How the responses come from?
The trailer has been phenomenal. We went viral actually the first day of release. We were trending Twitter
We've
for
had
7
1
hours.
million hits.
And we
also.
had 1 million for a small
Views.
film with a young cast. I think it's
A
amazing.
million
There's
hits within few days. It's amazing.
3 days. Yeah,
We're
Sanjay
all
Suri. Sanjay
excited.
Suri is in the film. So it's Susanna, Divya, Sanjay sir, and me.
How was the experience of working together on this film, on the first film?
Oh, it's not. My first film was LSD. Her first film was Byomukesh Bakshi. Her first film was.
It's a while ago now.
Yes. So we are both Dibakar Banerjee launches, and it was nice. It was. It's a very good script. It's a very good director we worked with. He's Nagesh Kukunoor's associate, Shashi Surigala. It's his second feature. He's made an independent film before this, and it's a genre we are all very excited about because Indians love thrillers and whodunits. It's just that this is the first of its kind.
And it's
It's
the
a-
first social media thriller,
Thriller,
of
yeah.
India, so
yeah.
we are
So
all.
the whole hook in the film is the social media. So that way, yeah.
Speaking about tonight, are you guys like walking the ramp or you're
No, we are not.
No, yeah, I don't. I think they are good enough to walk the ramp. I'm not. But
But yeah, I think
we are
we'll
watching.
Catch the show
We'll catch the
and-
show.
yes.
We're looking forward to seeing some.
And this is our first night together, so we should.
We're
have
very
some
excited.
fun.
After the shoot tonight, we've got together after 6 months or so, 6-7 months. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.